Hi friends, in this we are going to discuss about the heritability, coheritability, genetic advance. Heritability, it is expressed in percentage, and heritability is the ratio of genetic variance to the phenotypic variance or total variance. And the, um, and it's also a broad sense heritability. And in the you can see that heritability two types: broad sense and narrow sense heritability. And coming to narrow sense heritability is the ratio of additive or fixable genetic variance to the total phenotypic variance, and the formula is given by this one: half into d by vp, v variance of phenotypic variance. And the heritability means the heritable portion of phenotypic variance. As a definition, we can, in the simple sense, heritable portion. Heritable portion means the whatever the traits that is herited or inherited from the parents to progeny is called heritable. And that heritable portion of phenotypic variance is called as heritability, and it's expressed in percentage. And coming to coheritability, it's ratio of genetic variance to the phenotypic variance. It's a genetic variance to the phenotypic variance, and it deals with the simultaneous inheritance of two characters. We can study the simultaneous inheritance of two characters, and how the like two characters means the one like we can study coheritability. Two traits, two characters means the fruit length and fruit weight. Two characters or yield or number of fruits. That's like some of the different characters we can study at a time simultaneously. Both characters studies by, and it is it's found out by the formula. Coheritability is equal to genotypic covariance of x1 and x2 divided by phenotypic covariance of x2 and x1 and x2 into 100, and it's also expressed in percentage. It's a formula. Genetic advance: improvement in mean genotypic value of a selected plants over a parent population. As I said, it's a measure of genetic gain under selection. Genetic advance is improvement in mean genotypic value of selected plants over the parental population. Mean genotypic value, the value of a genes, which is called, we can call it as a value of a genes to individual itself. That is mean genotypic value of selected plants over a population. The mean, as you know, average, we will get some of the value, will get average. If the average is increased, then there will be increase in all the values which we are taken from. Like improvement in mean genotypic value of a selected plants over a parental population. It is a measure of genetic gain under selection, and its genetic advance, it depends on the genetic variability, heritability, and selection intensity. If we want to increase overall uh, a trait of a population, overall trait, the mean of the overall trait we have to increase, then we should know the genetic variability. It depend, and we should include heritability and selection intensity. Genetic gain, it's a difference between the mean phenotypic value of the progeny of the selected plants to the mean phenotypic value of the base population. As we can see here, difference between mean phenotypic value of progeny, which we have selected plants of that progeny. We need to remember progeny. I mean phenotypic value of base population. But selection differential denoted by K, and genetic gain is denoted by R. It's a difference between the mean phenotypic value of selected plants to the mean phenotypic value of base population. As you know that in this genetic gain, progeny is mean phenotypic value of progeny, and it's a mean phenotypic value of selected plants only. And the genetic advance we can get by the formula K into Vp into 1 by 2 Vg divided by Vp. And in this we can also, if we need to get the formula G as genetic advance equal to, we need to K into H into SDP. SDP is a phenotype of standard deviation. H is heritability. K is a selection differential. In coming to summarize, heritability is a heritable portion of a phenotypic variance. Coheritability it deals with the simultaneous inheritance of two characters we are going to study, and it's a genotypic variance to the phenotypic variance, that is coheritability. It's mainly concerned about two characters at a time simultaneously. It's a formula. Genetic advanced improvement in mean genotypic value of a selected plants over a parental population. It's a measure of genetic gain under selection. How much genetic gain we have got, and depends on genetic variability, heritability, and selection intensity. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for the further videos in depth manner for heritability, coheritability, genetic advance. Please see our next videos. Thank you.